Hi, so this is my third paper, and in this speech I will discuss the mobile cloud computing technology according to the scientific paper on architecture, advantage, and security issue associated with the mobile cloud computing. So mobile cloud computing integrates portable smart devices with cloud-hosted software and remote storage, and currently MCC system is facing several challenges. These include low bandwidth, since the mobile cloud computing environment utilizes cellular and Wi-Fi networks in computation offloads and the writing or reading of data. Such networks are vulnerable to connectivity interruptions. Under unstable network connectivity, communication between mobile devices and cloud service lags, thus compromising battery capacity and efficiency by introducing latency. As for heterogeneity, since cloud services support multiple devices running on different operation systems, their unique infrastructure environment and application challenge the service operation ability. For instance, if a cloud server is serving multiple Android and Windows devices, variations in their operation system and application features may compromise cloud resource capacity, speed, and functional efficiency. As for privacy and client security, data security is the most challenging aspect of cloud computing and storage. In the MCC configuration, client information vulnerability is at high risk since most people prefer conducting digital financial transactions from their mobile devices rather than desktop. Additionally, mobile devices cannot install and run complex anti-malware software compared to the resource-intensive personal computer. Although cloud-hosted software and storage may scan clients' data, this anti-malware program cannot execute from mobile devices' processor. Therefore, smart mobile devices utilizing the computation feature and more vulnerable to molecular software than personal computers. As for mobile network security, since mobile cloud computing rely on network connectivity to establish communication between smart devices and the cloud service, wireless network pose significant vulnerability to clients' private information. For instance, if a client rely on Wi-Fi network to access their accounts on cloud-rendered services, an initial hacker can have higher chance in disrupting communication between the user and network hotspots. Additionally, cellular networks can be manipulated through an inside job by service providers, hence gaining access to confidential information. And there is quite a reason the problem still exists, and it's because the technology is essential for increasing the capacity of smart devices, which are often limited in terms of storage capacity and processing power resources, since cloud-hosted resources utilize multiple processing and storage units. Integrating these services with smart mobile devices effectively optimize their functional and capabilities. And there are some other related works. Some scholars propose code application systems that allocated operating to minimize operating and conserving energy consumption. Other researchers recommended that clone cloud approach, whereby mobile applications autonomously offload code sections to other mobile devices network to the cloud service, thus optimizing execution time and energy requirement. Other developers prefer the JADE technique, whereby monitoring system autonomously decide on order of the code execution, optimizing the offloading strategy according to the workload trend, network connectivity speed, and their preferred energy consumption. Unlike the mobile computing, which requires designing and implementation of processors and storage devices, the MCC platforms allow clients to produce depths of resources they need for accomplish their specific task on hand. The pay-as-you-use functional in MCC allows clients to upgrade their service as required, thus saving in storage and running costs. As a result, instead of purchasing a high-end mobile devices with high power consumption to perform single tasks with the majority of the time, it is better to acquire a mid-range device, utilize cloud computing devices as demanded by task currently extension. And how it's better, there is some advantage in the cloud computing serverage, including battery life optimization. Digital computer is energy intensive prospect with demand high performance hardware and software. Unlike desktop devices, which are always connected to continuous power supply, mobile device longest significantly affected by device capacity. Although it is desirable for clients to have a faster smart device, the higher performance compromises the running time, rendering the device useless in executing the function it was procured to do. By offloading intensive computation or remote service, smart mobile devices can optimize their functionality. As for improved storage and processing capability due to motherboard size capacity, processing storage hardware doesn't translate an efficient device. As a result, MCC allowed mid-range devices to acquire additional processing and storage resources from third-party cloud host service, software, and storage. And for improving device reliability, storing a device data on cloud-based storage resource efficiently recover data if smart mobile devices is lost or damaged. And the MCC platform facilitating dynamic provisioning, since cloud host service operating under the pay-as-you-use approach. Clients can schedule, configure, and deploy resource capability according to the current and anti-capacity workload. Hence, MCC facilitates resource scalability. As for multi-tenancy and ease of integration, currently cloud service renders support devices running on different operating systems, such as a wide range of service applicable allow cloud service company to support multiple clients, thus allow them exploit economics of scale and provide relative cheaper services. In conclusion, mobile cloud computing is an effective technology for improving functionality of mobile devices. Hence, the resources are scalable. Clients can adjust their plans according to their workload, thus optimize their computation operation costs. Although the MCC has multiple advantages for mobile cloud computing, clients and cloud service rendering companies should optimize security and their private protocol, with the nominated develop in network capacity. MCC is predicted to be rise in future. Thanks for listening.